If there is a frequent lack of water in your neighborhood, and water supply runs out suddenly, a very unpleasant result is that an air bubble forms in the pipes, which prevents the water from coming out of the faucets even though your rooftop tank has been topped again. A simple and inexpensive way to correct the situation is for you to build yourself this simple extension made of a 1-meter piece of garden hose to which 2 female connections have been attached, as I will explain below. It is enough that there is a water tap in your garden in which there is pressure at that moment to inject water into the tank, which can also be done with a manual or electric pump, to prime the air bubble from the system, thus restoring normal operation. Leave one of the kitchen taps open and you will almost immediately see how the water begins to flow again. That's all. The mysterious air bubble will have disappeared. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.